Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. Today guys, I'm going to show you how you can repair a software which was working under Windows 7 but it doesn't work anymore under Windows 8. If it's the case, then you are having a compatibility problem, and to fix that problem, all what you will have to do, you will have to go after installing your software, you go to the icon of the software, you click with the right button of the mouse and you go to properties. And here guys, we will go to general, we will check. So this is the name of the software which I want to solve the problem for. We'll go to compatibility, and here we will click or we'll select run this program in compatibility mode 4. And here guys, you will have to remember under which operating system your software was working properly. If it was Windows 95, Windows XP, Windows Vista or Windows 7, then you will have to select the right one. My software was running fine under Windows 7. I will just select it, and here I will click apply, and here I will click OK. Now I will try to run my software to see if it's going to work. This might take a little bit of time to establish all the settings, and as we can see now my software is working again. If you are still facing the same issue that there is a compatibility problem and your software is still unable to run under Windows 10, then you can try the second way to solve it. However, if you solve it, you will click yes, this program worked correctly if it's the case. If not, you can always click no launch the troubleshooter. So for instance, the program is working fine. Yes, I will click the first option. And if this problem still didn't get solved, you just go back, you click again, you open properties, and under compatibility, you click run compatibility troubleshooter, and you will have to wait few seconds up to 2 minutes until the troubleshoot is totally finished, and then the program should be working. The troubleshoot has finished diagnosing and repairing. Now we can open our software, and yeah, the software is working again. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you still need help or assistance, you can always leave us a comment or send us an email, and we will do our best to help you. And if you would like to encourage us to create more videos, please press like, share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest video. Thanks for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video.